Off the phone with somebody. They have court tomorrow, and they were asking me why there was a PF in their case number. And so I was able to tell them that that PF stands for pre-file. My name is Shannon Locke. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney. I practice in San Antonio and surrounding counties. This information, though, is just for Bexar County State Court. And so when you have a PF in your case number, it means that the state has not yet filed an information in a misdemeanor case or an indictment in a felony case. The grand jury hasn't filed the indictment in the felony case. What that means is that the court doesn't yet have jurisdiction over the case. So if I go into the court and I say, Judge, my client has been showing up for 9 months, and there hasn't been a case filed yet, I want the case dismissed because my rights to speedy trial have been violated. Now, what that means is the judge says, look, Mr. Locke, you know that the case hasn't yet been filed. They have 2 years in misdemeanor court to file that case. And while I appreciate you informing me of this, we can't try your case today because I don't have jurisdiction over it yet. So when the state files the case, that PF is going to be replaced by a CC in misdemeanor court and a CR in felony court. And that's going to be one way you can tell whether or not you have a felony or a misdemeanor. But just because the court doesn't have jurisdiction yet doesn't mean that there isn't stuff to do. One, we can modify your conditions of bond if those conditions of bond are restricting you, number one. And number two, we may be able to convince the prosecutors not to file the case at all and allow you to avoid all the consequences of a criminal accusation or a criminal arrest. So just because your case hasn't been filed doesn't mean there's not work to do. It's better to hire a lawyer early rather than late. Hope this helps.